Hi everyone. When it comes to luxury watches, they are mostly automatic. But there's a lot of confusion when it comes to automatic watches. Like, why are they so expensive? There's no battery? How does it run? और ना जाने कितने सवाल. So today we're gonna understand everything from how they work and why they are a gemstone like rubies inside your watch. So let's start with understanding what is an automatic watch. और इसको समझने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें मैकेनिकल वॉचेस को समझना होगा ना. मैकेनिकल वॉच का डेफिनेशन आप विकिपीडिया पे पढ़ सकते हो और मैं बहुत टेक्निकल में गया तो ये वीडियो आधे घंटे का हो जाएगा. तो थोड़ा सिंपल तरीके से समझते हैं. आपको 3 इडियट्स का वो सीन तो याद होगा जब रैंचो मशीन का डेफिनेशन बताता है. बस थोड़ा वैसा ही है. और अगर आपने 3 इडियट्स नहीं देखी है तो ऐसा कीजिए कि वॉच रिकमेंडेशन तो मैं देता रहूँगा, आज एक मूवी रिकमेंडेशन ले लीजिए. नाउ गेटिंग बैक टू द टॉपिक. इन सिंपल टर्म्स, जब आप कुछ मैकेनिकल पीसेस को जोड़कर एक सिस्टम बनाते हो जो आपको टाइम बताए और उसको पावर करने के लिए यू यूज़ अ मैकेनिकल पीस कॉल्ड मेनस्प्रिंग, जिसको आप हैंड वाइंड करते हो, तो वो मैकेनिकल वॉच कहलाता है. चलो एक एग्जांपल से समझते हैं. You must have seen a seesaw where a weight of one person lifts the other and it keeps on going with the help of gravity instead of a battery. Let's suppose this is equivalent to our mechanical watch. Now there are rides जो आपने मेले में देखे होंगे which is also moving, but this time it is powered by a generator. Now this is equivalent to our quartz watch. Mechanical and quartz are called movements. If you want to understand movement, please check the linked video on top. चलो, तो अब ये ऑटोमेटिक वॉच क्या होता है? बेसिकली व्हेन यू डोंट हैव टू हैंड वाइंड योर वॉच एंड इट हैपन्स ऑटोमेटिकली. भला वो कैसे? सो व्हेन यू वॉक और डू एनी काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी, योर हैंड इज कॉन्स्टेंटली मूविंग एंड द एनर्जी फ्रॉम दैट मूवमेंट इज स्टोर्ड व्हिच इन टर्न पावर्स द वॉच. व्हिच लीड्स टू अनदर क्वेश्चन कि अगर वॉच को ना पहनो तो क्या वो रुक जाएगी? वेल यस, every automatic watch has a power reserve, which means that for how many hours the watch will continue to run without wearing it. Power reserve varies from 40 hours to 120 hours. Suppose आपकी watch has a power reserve of 72 hours, which means कि अगर आप इस watch को 3 दिन तक ना पहनो तो भी चलती रहेगी. What happens after that? Well, आपकी घड़ी रुक जाएगी. And how do we restart? यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा rocket science है, and I am somewhat of an astrophysicist. So step number 1, you have to take your watch. Step number 2, you have to shake it like you do to mix peri peri to your French fries, and voila, your watch will start running. Moving on to the next question. Do you have to get servicing? Yes. जैसे आप अपनी बाइक की सर्विसिंग हर 6 महीने में करते हो, उसी तरह you have to get your watch serviced every 5 years, roughly. Since it's a mechanical thing, they basically remove every single piece, clean it, lubricate it, and assemble it again. Your watch will run fast or slow with time if you don't get servicing done periodically. Next up is joules. You must have seen that on the back of your watch, it's written 21 joules or 24 joules or maybe even more than that. Well, these are rubies or sapphires which you can see. These stones are used to reduce friction and wear and tear between the moving parts. और इससे पहले कि आपका दिमाग ज़्यादा चल जाए और आप इसे बेचने की सोचो, let me tell you that these are synthetic rubies grown in a lab, but a century ago there were real rubies. Now coming to the section of why is it so expensive. The thing is, a mechanical watch has so many pieces and are very minute. It takes a skilled watchmaker and a lot of time to come up with polished, elegant and efficient watch. Most luxury watches are handmade and a work of art. और आर्ट के पैसे तो लगते हैं. It's still hard to justify the price of some watches, as it is not only the watch but the brand value as well. An automatic watch can last you a lifetime, and people also pass on these timepieces to the next generation. So valuing a watch just on their price is a little unfair. Now coming to the drawback of an automatic watch. They are precise but not accurate. Most of them lose or gain seconds every day, ranging from -15 to +25 seconds. Obviously, there are watches with far better accuracy, but still they can't beat a cheap 500 rupee quartz watch. Then why do we buy an automatic? Because it's not about telling the time. टाइम ही चेक करना है तो फ़ोन सबके पास है और टाइम तो लॉक स्क्रीन पे ही दिख जाता है. इट्स समथिंग मोर देन दैट. Everyone has their own reason. So today I'm not going to answer this. And as far as accuracy is concerned, there is another movement which is built on top of automatic, and that I'm going to explain in another video so that you have a reason to subscribe. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and see you in the next.